In this video, we are going to learn how to convert miles to kilometers and kilometers to miles. But before we learn them, I want you to know a constant conversion terms between the two units. So for every 1 mile, you have a value that is equal to 1.609344 kilometers. Okay, so you are going to be using these consistent terms between the two units to convert between them. Okay, so for this example, to convert to 20 miles, we say 20 miles is the equivalent value of 20 miles is, we do not know the value, so we are going to be representing it as x kilometers. So to find our x, we cross multiply the values here. So x times 1 is equal to 20 times 1.609. So 20 times 1.609344. Okay, so we know that x times 1 is x, which is equal to 20 times 1.6094344. So this is equal to 32.18688 kilometers. Okay, so this means that the equivalent of 20 miles to kilometers is 1 mile is equal to 1.60934. Okay, so this is now equal to 100 miles. Okay, is equal to x kilometers. Okay, so to find our value of x, we cross multiply, so that x times 1 is equal to 100 times 1.609.60934. Okay, so x times 1 is x, and then this is equal to 100 times 1.609.344 is 160.9344 kilometers. Okay, so this means that the equivalent of 100 miles is 160.344 kilometers. Okay, so for this third question, we're asked to convert kilometers to miles. So the idea will still be the same thing for the first two as the first two examples we had done. So we know that 1 mile is equal to 1.60934 kilometers. Okay, so unlike before, we do not know the value of miles, so we say x mile is now equal to 10 kilometers. Okay, so in this case, we still cross multiply. This means that x times 1.60934 is equal to 10 times 1. Okay, so this is now equal to x equal to 10 times 1 is 10 divided by 1.60934. Okay, so this is equal to 6.214 to 3 decimal places. Okay, so x is ultimately equal to 6.214 miles. Okay, so this means that the equivalent value of 10 kilometers to miles is 6.214 miles. So if you like this video, leave a like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Thanks for watching.